What's up? If it's the first time here, like, share, comment, subscribe. If you like what you see, send a comment onto the channel. If you have any advice or if you have, questions, whatever, please let me know. I've used, for first off, this is a forge. I've used the old forge style. I've made my own forge. It worked all right. Not as well as this is going to be. This is a propane forge. I had basically a coal forge. It was very jimmy rigged, but it did what it needed to do. This one will be a lot faster, a lot more efficient. I'm going to have it set up at some point, show you guys what it does, how it functions, and what we're making. I'll be ended up making some hooks, some stuff to basically sell. Stay tuned, and we'll see how this thing goes. Thanks for watching. So my happy butt was getting ready this morning. We're getting ready to do the forge and got it all set up and everything, and yeah, we're ready to go. I haven't filled the propane tank.
Yeah, which isn't getting any cheaper. Even refills.
Can't forge without propane.
Yeah.
And a propane forge.
I need to forge. I don't even know what I'm forging.
So today we're going to be having some fun. Doing some forging. You guys are going to see some really crappy, really cool, unique stuff, whatever. We'll see what happens, I've done a little bit of forging.
Not me.
Big guy over here hasn't done any.
Big guy.
So I'm going to do what I can to help him out, and you'll see what we can do. It's going to be fun.
At least the start of something. Who knows if we've got enough.
Do you have an idea what you're going to make? You know what you're going to start off with?
A knife of some sort, probably. I like knives.
I've got a bunch of railroad spikes that we can, play around with and do stuff. So
I want to make a spearhead eventually, but I probably don't have enough years left in my life to make one.
We're going to let it be a surprise for what I make. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do yet. I have a couple ideas, but there's going to be some fun ways of making some money that you can sell your stuff online with, or even sell at markets, or I'm not one to sell from my home right off of my, property, just because I don't like a lot of people in my place. So
don't try on me flying. Sweet.
Welcome to our town.
Yeah, but either way, you can sell online and get a little additional cash towards preps or more forging stuff. Nice thing about a forge is, if SHTF, you can still make stuff.
Yeah, but again, if you can't fill up your propane tanks, you're kind of screwed. So you got to know how to actually have a coal forge, how to make your coal, all that fun stuff, and we'll see if we even get to a video at that point. Yeah, but you can even use a torch if you had to. But again, it comes down to propane. I've got a setup where I can actually hook into my outdoor, propane supply, my 330-gallon tank, and I can use that if I had to. But again, do I want to? That's the thing. So stay tuned. You'll see what we have coming up, and we'll see you in a second. Yeah, man, hit that thing. Budget hammer, budget anvil, budget clamps. We'll see how it all works. We got a few other things. She's hot. Better tongs.
you, dude. It is? You like it?
Better.
That's crazy. That's gonna be a sweet looking blade.
Do some grinding on that, get that stuff off, but
Polish it all up. Yeah, that's gonna be sweet looking, dude.
we'll try some home kids. So what that is the start of a wannabe knife. You guys be the judge whether it's gonna look okay later on or not. So not bad for a second knife, I think. We'll see. And that's out of a railroad spike. So stay tuned. We'll see what it looks like later on. You guys can comment and say it sucks, you suck, you should quit, or just keep going.